The GRLD rotary bucket, also known as the Martin rotary bucket or twist bucket, is a cutting-edge attachment designed by Martin GmbH from Vorarlberg, Austria. This innovative bucket combines advanced rotary gear technology with robust construction to enhance the efficiency of excavation and trench cleaning tasks. Its unique rotating mechanism allows for superior material handling, enabling operators to clean trenches, load materials, and perform various excavation functions with greater precision and effectiveness. Built with high-quality materials and precision welds, the GRLD rotary bucket exemplifies Martin GmbH's commitment to delivering reliable, high-performance excavator attachments for demanding applications. The Martin Grapple offers a versatile solution for various excavation and material handling tasks. Designed and manufactured in Austria, Martin's grapples are known for their durability and high performance. Available in different types, including universal grapples, demolition grapples, and stone-laying grapples, these attachments cater to diverse applications. Stable grapples feature robust construction for reliable operation, while maintenance-friendly designs ensure ease of upkeep. With options such as grapples with teeth, grid shells, and rubber teeth, Martin grapples handle everything from bulk materials to delicate objects. Many models come with a rotator for enhanced maneuverability, and the fully hydraulic system offers impressive closing force and operational efficiency. The Blue Diamond Severe Duty Brush Cutter, demonstrated by Swift Fox Industries, is a high-performance attachment designed for skid steers. Renowned for its durability and efficiency, this brush cutter is engineered to handle the most challenging land-clearing tasks. Its robust construction and powerful cutting capabilities make it ideal for tackling thick brush, small trees, and dense vegetation. The cutter's heavy-duty design ensures long-lasting performance, even in severe conditions. Swift Fox Industries demo showcases the brush cutter's impressive ability to transform overgrown areas into manageable landscapes quickly. The Fendt 1042 with Muse Max WT12 Hacker is a powerful set of heavy machinery designed for demanding tasks in agriculture and forestry. The Fendt 1042 tractor is a top-of-the-line model, offering an impressive 420 horsepower for heavy pulling and transportation tasks. Equipped with advanced technology, it enhances both efficiency and comfort during work. The Muse Max WT12 Hacker is a sophisticated wood-chipping machine known for its high processing capacity and reliability. Together, these machines form a powerful combination for timber harvesting and other heavy agricultural applications. Robust, reliable, and efficient, they handle the most challenging tasks in modern farming and forestry. The Ducker Verge Milling Machine SBF 900 is a self-propelled unit designed for efficient milling and loading of verge material. It features a working width of 1.25 meters, which can be extended to 1.70 or 2.10 meters with additional augers, making it easier to work under and behind guardrails. The machine's integrated broom cleans the road during operation. The SBF 900's travel and milling drive are fully hydraulic, and it uses a feeler roller to push the vehicle to be loaded, optimizing the working speed. This combination of features ensures precise and effective verge maintenance. The Roadtech RX600E is a state-of-the-art cold planer designed for efficient pavement maintenance and rehabilitation. Equipped with a powerful 675 horsepower engine, this heavy-duty machine excels in removing old asphalt layers with precision and efficiency. Its advanced features include a high-capacity cutter housing and a robust conveyor system, which ensures smooth and effective material extraction and transport. The RX600E's sophisticated control systems and adjustable features allow for precise depth control and a superior finish, making it ideal for a range of road repair projects. Its durable construction and innovative design make the Roadtech RX600E a reliable choice for maintaining and upgrading road surfaces. The Bagger Wrenchen is a specialized excavator attachment designed for efficient material handling in various excavation and construction tasks. Often referred to as a digging rake, this tool features a robust, fork-like structure with multiple tines that effectively sift through and separate materials. It's commonly used for tasks such as clearing debris, sorting gravel, and screening soil or aggregates. The Bagger Wrenchen enhances the versatility of excavators by allowing operators to perform tasks that require precision and efficiency, making it indispensable for projects like site preparation, landscaping, and dredging operations. The PRINOTH Panther T16 crawler dumper was utilized in a dredging cell project to elevate the levee perimeter. Its powerful track design enabled efficient material transport and precise levee level adjustments, allowing the containment of additional dredge material from the lake bottom. The Panther T16's robust performance and stability were essential for achieving project goals effectively. The JCB TLT-30G 2017 is a versatile and robust telehandler, designed for demanding material handling tasks. With a lift capacity of up to 3,000 kilograms, 6,614 pounds, and a maximum lift height of 6.2 meters, 20.3 feet, this model excels in both construction and agricultural environments. The 2017 model features advanced hydraulic and drivetrain technology for smooth and efficient operation. With 6,510 hours on the clock, this telehandler demonstrates a history of reliable use and maintenance. Its powerful four-cylinder diesel engine ensures dependable performance, while the spacious cab and ergonomic controls provide operator comfort during extended shifts. Ideal for lifting, loading, and moving materials, the JCB TLT-30G remains a top choice for heavy-duty tasks.